The 2027 BMW X5 looks incredible. It's packed with cutting-edge technology, luxury features, advanced driver assistance systems, giant digital displays, and more computing power than some laptops. But here's the question nobody wants to ask before signing that loan paperwork. What happens when all of that technology starts breaking? Because the real cost of ownership isn't the monthly payment. It's the transmission repair that costs thousands, it's the electronic module that fails just after the warranty expires, it's the software update that suddenly creates new problems, and it's the premium luxury SUV that slowly turns into a money pit sitting in your driveway. While BMW has made major improvements in recent years, many buyers are concerned that newer luxury vehicles are becoming increasingly complex, and complexity often means higher long-term repair costs. Today, we're taking an honest look at the 2027 BMW X5, the potential ownership risks, the expensive components that could become future headaches, and whether this luxury SUV could end up costing far more than you expect. Stay until the end because I'll also reveal several luxury SUV alternatives that may offer better long-term reliability and lower ownership costs. And trust me, you don't want to get burned by the real cost of owning a modern luxury vehicle. Powertrain nightmares, the expensive side of performance. Let's start with the area that scares long-term owners the most: the powertrain. Now, to be fair, BMW's current turbocharged engines are generally stronger than the brand's reputation from 15 years ago. The problem isn't necessarily catastrophic engine failures. The problem is complexity. The 2027 BMW X5 continues to rely heavily on turbocharged powertrains, sophisticated emission systems, mild hybrid technology, and electronic management systems that all work together. And when one component fails, the repair bill can quickly become shocking. Think about it: a turbocharger issue, a cooling system failure, a hybrid battery component, an electronic sensor malfunction. Any one of these repairs can cost thousands of dollars once the factory warranty expires. Owner forums for recent X5 generations already contain discussions about coolant leaks, electronic sensor faults, drivetrain warnings, and expensive troubleshooting procedures. And that's where the real ownership nightmare begins. It's not always the repair itself, it's diagnosing the problem. Modern BMWs are essentially computers on wheels. A simple warning light can trigger hours of diagnostic labor before the technician even begins replacing parts, and labor rates at luxury dealerships in America aren't getting cheaper. Many exceed $200 per hour. That's why some experts argue that an older, proven BMW model year can sometimes be a safer purchase than the first few years of a heavily updated generation. Why? Because reliability trends often emerge after thousands of owners spend years living with the vehicle. And here's something buyers rarely consider: the smoother and more advanced a vehicle feels today, the more expensive it often becomes when something eventually goes wrong. The 2027 BMW X5 delivers incredible performance, but performance comes with complexity, and complexity often comes with costly surprises. But wait until you see where things can become even more frustrating, because the next category isn't mechanical, it's digital. And that's where modern luxury vehicles are creating a whole new type of ownership headache. Electronic and software disasters. If you've purchased a vehicle in the last few years, you've probably noticed something. Physical buttons are disappearing. And the 2027 BMW X5 takes that trend even further. The cabin is dominated by large digital displays and software-controlled functions. It looks futuristic. It impresses passengers. It photographs beautifully for social media. But what happens when the software crashes? What happens when the touchscreen freezes? What happens when critical functions become difficult to access because they're buried inside menus? That's exactly why many owners across the automotive industry have become increasingly frustrated with screen-heavy interiors. Consumer complaints across multiple brands frequently mention lagging infotainment systems, random reboots, black screens, Bluetooth failures, navigation glitches, and software updates that create unexpected problems. And luxury vehicles aren't immune. In fact, they're often more vulnerable because they rely on even more electronic modules. The concern isn't that every 2027 BMW X5 will experience these issues. The concern is repair cost when they happen. Replacing sophisticated display systems, control modules, sensors, cameras, and electronic components can quickly become wallet-destroying territory. Some owners discover that a single malfunctioning module affects multiple vehicle systems. Suddenly, your navigation isn't working, your driver assistance features aren't functioning properly, and warning messages begin appearing everywhere. That's not just annoying, it's expensive. And unlike a worn brake pad or tire replacement, electronic issues often require specialized diagnostics and dealership-level expertise. As vehicles become smarter, ownership sometimes becomes more complicated. And unfortunately, complexity doesn't always age gracefully. But electronic headaches aren't the only thing causing concern. There's another issue many luxury buyers have started noticing. The quality doesn't always feel as luxurious as the price tag suggests. Build quality and interior letdown. Let's talk about something that's becoming increasingly controversial in the luxury vehicle market: build quality. The 2027 BMW X5 can easily climb into premium pricing territory depending on options. And at those prices, buyers expect excellence. Every surface, every button, every panel, every detail. But many consumers have noticed a trend across the industry. Vehicle prices continue rising, yet some interior materials don't always feel significantly better even in premium vehicles. Owners frequently complain about rattles, squeaks, loose trim pieces, gloss black surfaces that scratch easily, and touch-sensitive controls that are less satisfying than traditional buttons. Again, this isn't exclusively a BMW problem. It's happening throughout the industry. Manufacturers are investing heavily in technology, while sometimes reducing costs elsewhere. The result? A cabin that initially looks futuristic, but may not feel as solid after years of ownership. And that's important, because interior quality affects your experience every single day. You hear the rattles, you touch the materials, you live with the design. A luxury SUV shouldn't start feeling cheaper as the years go by, especially when you're spending luxury car money. The real danger isn't one major failure, it's dozens of little disappointments that slowly make ownership less enjoyable. And when those disappointments are paired with expensive repairs, that's when buyers start questioning whether the vehicle was worth the investment at all. Conclusion and recommendations. So, should you avoid the 2027 BMW X5 at all costs? Not necessarily. The X5 remains one of the best driving luxury SUVs on the market. It's comfortable, it's fast, it's technologically advanced, and many owners genuinely love theirs. But if you're planning to keep your vehicle for 7, 8, or even 10 years, you need to understand the real cost of ownership. The biggest risks aren't necessarily catastrophic failures, they're expensive repairs, complicated electronics, aging software systems, and premium maintenance costs that can add up quickly. That's why buyers focused on long-term reliability should also consider alternatives. The first is the Lexus RX. It consistently earns strong reliability scores and has built a reputation for lower ownership costs. Another excellent option is the Lexus GX. It's not as sporty as the BMW, but it's known for durability and long-term dependability. And if you want a premium German experience with a reputation for solid engineering, the Porsche Cayenne is worth serious consideration. Bottom line, the 2027 BMW X5 isn't necessarily one of the worst vehicles you can buy,
but it could become a very expensive vehicle to own if you're unlucky and out of warranty. Before buying any luxury SUV, don't focus only on horsepower, screens, or flashy technology. Focus on what happens 5 years later, because that's when the real cost of ownership reveals itself. Have you owned a recent BMW X5? Have you experienced expensive repairs, software issues, or reliability problems? Drop your experience in the comments below so other buyers can learn from it. And which of these concerns surprised you the most? Is the 2027 tech really worth the risk? If you enjoyed this honest review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real-world car advice, reliability warnings, and ownership insights before you spend your hard-earned money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.